East or west, home is best. This proverb is quite popular and simply means that our homes are the best places in the world. No matter where we travel or how far we go, it is a phrase that conveys a sense of comfort, familiarity, and belonging. When we are at home, we are in a space that we know well, surrounded by the things and people that we love. But this proverb isn't just about the physical structure of our homes. It is also about the feelings and emotions that we associate with being at home. When we feel at home, we feel safe, secure, and grounded. We know who we are and what we are capable of. We can let our guards down and be ourselves. This sense of ease and comfort can be incredibly valuable in our lives, especially when we are facing challenges, setbacks, or uncertainty. So how can we apply this proverb to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed? One way is to cultivate a sense of home within ourselves. We can create an inner sanctuary, a place where we feel calm, centered, and connected. This might involve practicing mindfulness, meditation, or other forms of self-reflection. It might also involve finding activities that help us tap into our creativity, passions, or values. Another way to apply this proverb is to create a physical space that feels like home. This might involve decorating our homes in a way that reflects our personalities and styles. It might also involve investing in items that bring us joy, such as cozy blankets, candles, or photographs of loved ones. Creating a physical space that feels like home can help us feel more grounded and rooted in our lives. Ultimately, the message of this proverb is that home is where the heart is. By cultivating a sense of home within ourselves and creating physical spaces that feel like home, we can bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed in whatever we set out to do. So the next time you feel lost, uncertain, or overwhelmed, remember that east or west, home is best. By embracing this proverb, we can tap into the power of our roots and our sense of belonging. Whether we are facing a major life transition, a difficult challenge, or simply a rough day, we can turn to our homes as sources of comfort, safety, and inspiration. By creating spaces that reflect who we are and by cultivating a sense of inner peace and calm, we can thrive no matter where we are or what we are doing. So embrace this timeless wisdom and remember that no matter where your life's journey takes you, home is always where your heart belongs. In conclusion, the wisdom of east or west, home is best, is a powerful reminder of the importance of creating a sense of home within ourselves and in our physical surroundings. By doing so, we can tap into a source of comfort, security, and inspiration that can help us navigate the ups and downs of life. Whether we are facing challenges or enjoying moments of great success, our homes are always there, waiting to welcome us with open arms. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.